Oh yes, it seems to. Okay, tell me about your model.
So it's a little stationary steam plant. It's got a Stewart S50 and a little Bassett Loke engine on it. It's a little vertical boiler with the hand pump to feed the water in. And there's the fire right there. Little anthracite coal. And then we've got a little pressure gauge up here which goes up to 60 pounds per square inch. And the water in the boiler on the left. And then we've got our blower here which takes the steam pressure, puts it up the chimney and creates a draft for the fire. The whistle and the steam outlet to go down to the engines. And then we've got a condenser on the back, which is the big black tank. And that takes all the steam, used steam water, and keeps it in that tank along with the oil so we don't make a mess everywhere.
Thank you. Tell me all about this fine looking vehicle.
Well, it's a Feldbahn it's called, and it's a kit build. I built it from a kit.
How long ago did you build it?
It's about 5 years ago now. Yeah, it's boys and the toys, you could say.
And how's it measured in terms of its performance?
I'm not really sure. It's a narrow gauge. It's a model of a narrow gauge German locomotive.
Right. So what gauge is it? 7.5 or
7 1/4. 7 1/4. That's quite a powerful loco.
Absolutely amazing. And did you have to machine all these parts, or do they come?
No, I'm not trained in brake work, but I bought it as a kit, all pre-machined, just basically putting a mechanic set together. It's not up to pressure yet. It's got to get well up before it's ready to go.
So, who owns this fine machine?
It's fine.
Tell me about it.
It's a 040 Sweet William.
A what?
040 Sweet William, that's the name of the design.
Okay. Did you build it?
No, this is, I bought this one. I have the smaller one, which is a Sweet Pea 040, which I built. It's all the same design. You have the Sweet Violet, Sweet Pea, and Sweet William. So the Violets are 3.5, then you have the Sweet Pea, which is 5 inch, and the Sweet William is 7 1/4.
And how long have you had this?
I've had this for approximately 8 years, 10 years maybe. Can't quite remember it. Ex-member of the club built it.
That built it?
Yes.
Hopefully he's still alive, is he?
Who knows? Haven't seen him for years.
Fantastic.
Remind me what it's like to drive mine.
You probably should put a couple of shovels on.
Yeah.
Put a couple of shovels on.
How long before?
That
Same boiler.
The fire's got that in.
Your engine?
My engine? Oh, well this is a model of a LMER V1 tank engine designed by Gresley 1935 or so. They made it about 80 of them and they were distributed between London and Aberdeen, all up and down the east coast. And I live in Edinburgh.
Did you build this?
I built this one. When I started work in 1955, I travelled on the suburban railway pulled by these locomotives. So there we are. I got a chance of all the bits to make this.
You must have got up early this morning because you've been round here quite a few times.
Yeah, I thought like early bird gets the worm, you know.
Does he like to drive it?
I'm just letting you know where
Yeah.
You look forward to it. Have you driven it before?
I've got one that's almost similar. So I haven't driven that since 2006. So I'm looking forward to feeling what it's like to get behind a similar model.
It's a three-cylinder locomotive designed for passenger tank, for suburban passenger use. That's right.
Are you James's son?
No.
You're just farming for James, are you?
Yes. Helping him with his loco today. I think we're on the rail.
So how long is it going to be before it's steamed up?
It's steamed up.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Do you know much about this engine?
Well, it's a Black 5. It's a pretty unique Black 5 because it has Stephenson's valve gear. It's named after George Stephenson as such. I think James has owned this for about 25 years.
That's what he said, yeah.
Yeah.
I used to work beside James.
Alright.
This was his hobby.
Well, it's a full-time job for him now. Between here and Bowness.
Yes, I know. I've been down to Bowness. I filmed him installing the bridge.
Alright, aye.
I think you need less of a belly to be able to reach it. So thank you very much.
Look at that. You're off. Who's fighting for these?
Right, you're on.
What did it do there?
I think see it.
You should have gonna do it.
Right, you're alright that time.
You can do what you want to do.
So where did you get it from?
Whitby.
Whitby? Is it, I take it a retiring enthusiast?
No, it was a nutter that built it for to run for the public for years, 1989. Yeah, the guy he had boats in the river near the wee railway. So that was his engine. So till he got too old to stoop, but he was younger than me.
You've had it for 25 years.
Yeah, right.
I used to run it around your garden, didn't you?
Still do. Okay? Yeah. We ready to go?
What do you think of this so far?
Excellent day.
You only get to go around the simple route rather than across the bridges. You have to go with the small ones. You do get the tunnels and get speed, yeah.
What did you think of your run on the train?
Wonderful.
You look forward to it.
Oh yes.
Is it one of your relatives that's got the train?
Yes, he's driving it, yes. Husband's driving it.
So you run the canteen, do you?
No.
You
just got landed with it.
Just taking your turn. Excellent. It really is excellent facility.
We're getting there. We're getting there slowly, but building's a long way from finishing.
It hasn't taken you long.
Well, quicker we get a completion certificate from the local council.
This is where the experts hang out.
Saying nothing.
Expert extraordinaire.
So have you all been members a long time?
More or less, yes.
Kind of. I was a member until about 2006, then stopped, and then rejoined about 3 years ago.
When you got another train.
Yes.
And what do you do? Which train? You've got a train, I assume, an engine.
Two. Yes. But I'm suffering from lack of motivation at the moment.
How long have you been a member?
At least 15 years.
15 years, yes. Well, we're still working, yes.
And what about you? Afternoon.
I was a member at Newcastle Clifton. I rejoined Bank of here again.
Yes, I know. I saw the arrangement at Kirkliston, and then you had to move out.
Well, my wife took ill and became a carer for quite a few years. until she passed away.
So have you got an engine?
I must have about 5 engines.
Did you bring them up here yet?
Well, I bought one up here.
Today?
It failed its steam test. Because we couldn't get the injector to work.
Oh.
You require 2 things to work, you know, a hand pump and an injector. Didn't have an axle pump. But they'll come back one day.
Hopefully James will show you this video when it's finished.
I don't know how long I've been on it, but how long have you been on it, George?
I don't know. Were you before or after me?
Maybe about 15, 16 years, I suppose.
Excellent. Well, long term. And what about you?
We're just tourists.
You're just tourists like me. Just a tourist. But they seem to be enjoying it.
Too busy eating.